Morning.
How we doing?
Great, great.
So how we make out yesterday?
We make up pretty good.
Yeah? Where we at?
I mean, yesterday we started the sidewalk and we started prepping the street.
So we should knock it out, no problem today.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, very good. What else do you need?
I mean, right now we don't need nothing, just get to the job site and get it over with.
Okay, you're gonna backfill today?
Pretty much, yes.
All right, great. So we'll leave it plated and take it from there. Save the parking.
Got it, boss.
Let me know if any issues, but it sounds like you have it under control.
It is.
All right, have a good day.
All right, boss.
Thanks, Ed. Have a good man.
Yes, Allah. That is it. Yeah, so early I start the party. All right, so right now we just got on site. We're gonna chop the street up so we can get down and try to finish what we started yesterday. Right now we're having a little difficulty with the train tracks and those huge whalers that they have below the train tracks. So once we remove these wood that you see we taking out right here, we're gonna start our digging. But right now we're getting a little challenge with the railroad tracks. It used to be like an old railroad tracks and they pave over it. So now we started digging, breaking, we run up into this. So obviously we gotta remove it so we can dig. We just removed the train track. So right now we're on our way going down and we're gonna start our digging and such and such. Knock it up. Knock it up. Up. All right, stand by. So right now we're about to do some shoring. As you can see, pipe is right here. So this is where we at right now, which is we located the existing 6-inch clay pipe, which has a problem. As you see, it's not really flowing. That means it has a problem somewhere here, so that's why we're here. So at this point, we're just getting ready to make a little tunnel so we can catch the pipe where we left off yesterday. Say 9-10 feet deep. And yeah, we're almost there. We're about to go 1 more feet, which is 11 feet. That's where the main city line is at. So that's our final connection for the city connection right there. That's our existing spur, they call it spur. So that's where we had to go to tap in, make sure it's clean. So right now, this customer, they has from a 6-inch old clay pipe, now we change that over into a 6-inch cast iron, heavy duty cast iron. After the inspector arrive, we have to make sure we cement the connection. So I just got my visual, so he's gonna do paperwork, and I'm gonna finish do what I gotta do to get my 27. Teamwork. Make the dream work. 27. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Harris.